Midjourney Prompting Basics. Welcome to Midjourney. Let's talk about the basics of prompting. Once you're logged in to midjourney.com, you'll want to find the Create tab on the left-hand side of your screen. At the top of the screen, you'll see a text box that asks you, "What will you imagine?" This is where it all begins. In that box, type a description of something you want to see. What should go into the prompt? We suggest a subject, a background or context, and a style or aesthetic. The order doesn't matter. For example, you could type a photograph of an orange cat wearing a fluffy gray dragon costume, sleeping in the back garden. Notice the style of a photograph, the background or context of the garden, and the subject or focal point of the cat. And there are plenty of descriptive words to help Midjourney know what we want to see. Orange, fluffy, gray, sleeping. We've even specified the location as back garden. Once you've typed in your description, simply press the return key on your keyboard to send the job to the Midjourney servers. Or you can use the Submit button. Watch as Midjourney generates your images. You'll receive a batch of 4 images which you can use as they are or further develop. Create, imagine, and a prompt with a subject, background, and style. Those are the basics of prompting in Midjourney. Join us on our Discord server for more help, events, and community.